It's an endless search to fill this emptiness in your life. And of course, the only way you would be able to do that is to have a family.